All you know about that the sun is the main source of heat and energy from earth. So we can get heat from sun to warm ourselves. And in winter we use fluffy cloths for keeping ourselves warm. Now come to our first topic, which is temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness of an object. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. We cannot identify things by its low or high temperature. It is so dangerous to use our sense of touch to detect the things by its very high or by its very low temperature. For example, dry ice is very cold. We cannot touch it with our bare hands because it's so cold. Maybe we can get frostbite. Same, the hot objects can burn us, while the hot water can scald us. So we should not use them by bare hands or by not using the gloves. Now let's do an activity. Now let's perform an activity. Take 3 beakers filled with water. First one is cold water. Second one is normal water, which we use in normal routine. And third one is hot water. First of all, you put your right hand in cold water about a minute, and about a minute you can dip your hand in cold water and quickly transfer it into the normal water. What you can feel in your right hand? You can feel stuck on your right hand. And now dip your left hand in hot water about a minute. Normal hot water, it's not too burning. Normal hot water and about a minute, and quickly transfer it to the normal water. What you can feel in your left hand? Maybe it's burning you, it's hurting you. Now our sense of touch is enough sensitive to measure the temperature. Now we can measure the temperature with an instrument. Now let's tell you about the measuring instrument in which we can measure the temperature, which is thermometer. Our senses are very limited and are not always reliable. We cannot rely our sense of touch to measure the hotness or coldness. We can measure the things in which we can measure the things. We use an instrument which is called thermometer, and through this thermometer we can measure the temperature accurately. Thermometer is an instrument in which we measure the temperature. Now the temperature is measured in degree Celsius. And here's the types of thermometer. Types of thermometer. Here 5 main types of thermometer. last one is temperature sensor. In laboratory thermometer, we can use laboratory thermometer for detecting freezing point, for detecting melting point, and also detecting the boiling point of the substance. And also laboratory thermometer is used for detecting temperature, for measuring temperature of substances. Room thermometer is used for measuring the room temperature. And next one is kitchen thermometer. Kitchen thermometer is used for measuring the temperature of hot food in kitchen. And clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body. To measure the temperature of human body and also animals. This is used in clinical thermometer. Temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is also a type of thermometer which is used to measure the temperature for short period of time. This thermometer's temperature sensor is used to measure the temperature of short period of time. Now, here is a diagram of thermometer. This diagram shows a laboratory thermometer. There is four main parts of thermometer. The first one is its glass tube. Second one is its scale. Third one is mercury. And last one is bulb. The thermometer is filled with mercury. When the thermometer is filled with mercury, which is liquid in time, when the temperature of a room or of a body is rises, the mercury which is present in glass tube also rises, and the temperature shows in a scale. For example, the temperature of a normal room is 25 degrees Celsius. The mercury on the scale, the mercury shows 25 degrees Celsius. It's a room temperature. Here our next point is. Here is our next point, which is freezing point. What is freezing point? A freezing point is a freezing point when the pure water starts to freeze. It's called its freezing point. Freezing point of water. Water is 0 degrees Celsius. And now, what is boiling point? Boiling point is a point when water starts to boil. When water starts to boil, it called its boiling point. And the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And now, what is melting point? Melting point when the temperature at which ice starts melt, called its melting point. And the melting point of ice is also 0 degrees Celsius. The freezing point and the melting point of water is the same, which is 0 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Our normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. When a person has a fever, its body temperature changes. Its body temperature rises from 37 degrees Celsius. Now I will recall my lecture. Today we have learned about keeping warm. In this chapter we have learned that how we can keep ourselves warm. In winter we can use fluffy cloth for keeping ourselves warm. And also the sun is the main source of energy, heat and energy. By using the heat of sun we can keep ourselves warm. Now then we learn about temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the degree of temperature is the measure of degree of hotness of an object. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. Here is the types of thermometer. How we can detect, how we can measure the temperature. We can measure the temperature by using an instrument which is called thermometer. And here is the types of thermometer. Thermometer have 5 main types. First one is laboratory thermometer, which we use. In laboratory thermometer we can detect the freezing and boiling points of water, and also we can use laboratory thermometer for measuring the temperature of different substances. In kitchen thermometer is used to measure the temperature of hot food. And room thermometer is used to measure the room temperature. Room thermometer is also used to measure our surrounding temperature. And next one is clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer used to measure the temperature of our body. In clinics, doctors use the clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of human body. And last one is temperature sensor. Temperature sensor is also used to measure the temperature, but it's used to measure the temperature of short period of time. And next one is the diagram of thermometer. Thermometer has 4 main parts. First one is its glass. First one is its glass tube. Second one is its bulb. Third one is its mercury. And last one is its temperature scale. And it is the thermometer that we use in laboratory, that we use to detect, to measure the freezing point and to measure the boiling and melting point of water. Here is the freezing. What is freezing point? Freezing point is when the pure water starts to freeze. Its temperature is called its freezing point, and freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. And now what is melting point? Melting point when the temperature at which ice starts to melt, called its melting point. And also the melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. And now last one is boiling point. Boiling point, the temperature at which water starts to boil, called its boiling point. And the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. I hope all lecture clear to you. Now it's assignment for you by using a thermometer. Here is a thermometer. Here is a thermometer by using. Here is a laboratory thermometer. You can use a clinical thermometer by using thermometer. Check your temperature and send your body temperature reading to your relative teacher. Thank you.